Dad, can you move my head?
What's happening here? Ben, what are you doing?
Thanks.
A bear.
You're a bear? Is that what bears do?
Yeah.
Put your foot right there.
Ben, look at me. Whoa, what are you guys doing?
A bear.
It's a big bear?
Yeah.
You're riding on Sam?
Yeah.
Is this fun, Ben?
Yeah.
Are you going to hang on tight?
Yeah.
Alright, Ben. Ready? Ready, dude? Alright, go. Put your head down. Alright.
Where are you guys going to go?
To your office?
To my office.
Or to you?
What did bear say?
What did bear say, Ben?
Hug.
They hug? A bear hug? Oh.